Yes.
Huwag na yan, huwag na.
And
It's sunblock.
And this one, Tita.
It's just the same. Let's put some powder on your face. Oh my guys. Let's put some powder on my face.
Who say that? I say that on my
What?
Lego.
No. Already Lego.
This one
And this one.
is this
What
one.
the heck?
Yung even
Okay. Next is... Where's the powder? Oh my god.
what's this?
What's next? This one.
What is the Tita?
You want this dito? Okay, put it
Tita?
a little bit here and here. Just a little. Okay. Okay. Other one. Okay. Okay. Wait lang. Mali.
At saka
Easy. Put some more here.
this.
Here. Look.
Okay.
Okay, next.
This.
Where's next?
How
How about your lips?
this?
Yeah. What's that? Okay. Next is
Tita.
that's for the eyes.
Tita.
Or for eyelashes. Lipstick also.
Kabit. Ito.
Lipstick.
Mama.
Ano pa na? Here po yun.
This one.
Ang saan ba yan? For
And I can open it.
later. Iba muna. Lipstick ka muna.
don't need this. I will vomit.
Ito, tali ko lang na tali ko. Ayan.
Siya.
Ay, huwag na yan.
Look
That's
at this.
sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Oh, my sunscreen's on this hat.
That's protection from the...
Hat.
Are you a clown?
No. Ulit ako pangit or not?
What?
Not hindi ako pangit.
You're beautiful. Sino may sabing pangit ka?
Ako po.
Di Popot? Arlo ko yun. Later. Sabi pangit ka?
Dito. Peperu.
Ang hangin naman.
Yeah, man hangin tayo, diba? Be over there. Yes.
Tama na.
Kung pusong script.
Hindi ko tayo kumama.
Yun. Ate mamaya na. Mamaya na.
Okay na yan. Sunscreen. Okay na yan. Ito naman, pang-ice naman.
Mm.
Pang-ice na. Okay na. Pang-ice na.
Ayaw ko niya kay Ice. This the bee daw, guys.
Tama na lang. Scissors na lang. Ayan. Nasa hands mo. Bakit yung hands? Where's the takip? Huwag na to. Huwag na.
Ano ito?
Bakit? Saan takip nun? Saan mo nilagay yung takip?
Ano ito? Ano ito?
For eyes. Ah! Lipstick! Lipstick!
Ano ito? Hmm.
Hindi look. Hindi pantay. Let's put them on. How about your eyes?
Ito.
How about your eyes? You want me to put some
Ano ito?
for face also?
Can you try?
I'm sure.
Ay, hindi pala yan.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Opa.
Dali na, yan is mommy.
Mali na.
Open. Close your eyes. Okay na. Ayun, isa pa. Teka, we need to wipe. See your face. Ito pa yung okay, you can go there. You can go there na. Okay, go there. Ito mo. Okay, mo. Am I beautiful?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not?